Bunsen burner.
Always put your matches in the glass container.
Okay. Oh no! I'm on fire! Oh no!
Never use a fire extinguisher on a person. It's on fire. Use a fire blanket.
Yay! We will be doing a demonstration of pouring acid into water. Remember, when in the lab, you always use a beaker to mix and stir chemicals. Now, let's begin.
This is vinegar and acid. When mixing acids, you always pour the acid into the water. Remember, acid into water is doing what you oughter. When mixing acids in water, always use a glass stirring rod. Yep.
Alright, now let's begin. What the student will be doing right now is pouring a highly dangerous and corrosive chemical into a beaker. Remember, this is not a beaker. This is just a demonstrating tool. A beaker will be used in your chemistry lab. Now, contrary to the label, this chemical is not vinegar. Like I said, it's a dangerous and corrosive chemical, and it would be beneficial if we do not find out what this does to your skin. Now, let's begin.
Okay, so first I'm going to pour 5 milliliters of this acid into this beaker.
Whoops! What do I do now?
As you can see, this is not a very beneficial situation. Now we will watch what the student does to fix this problem.
First, I'll use baking soda and I'll pour it over the spill.
Wow, look at that, folks. Look at that pH changing.
I'm using a glass stirring rod to mix these two chemicals together, and then when this stops bubbling, I will use paper towels to clean it up. Always have paper towels handy when working in the lab.
This may take longer than expected. Now we will be using the help of one other student.
Now we have properly cleaned up an accident.
And there you have it, folks. Chemistry safety at its finest. Thank you very much for tuning in with us tonight.
Okay, now let's
1 billion. Welcome, folks. Thank you for joining me in another edition of Safety in the Chemistry Lab. Now we will be demonstrating a situation where the students must pour an acid into a container. Now let's see how this situation plays out. Action.
Okay, how much does this do we need?
About 5 milliliters.
Okay, let's start pouring.
Whoa!
Freeze! As you can tell, this situation is a very dangerous one. I will let you, the audience, decide what they should do. Should the student A, continue with her daily activities as if nothing happened and eat that fruit on the table over there? Freeze. Should the student B pick a fight with the student that poured the acid on them?
Are you kidding me? Seriously?
Oh, maybe you shouldn't keep your hands there.
Maybe you should be more careful next time.
You really want to go?
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Freeze. I know what you're thinking. I know the situation would be really entertaining, folks. But the answer is none of the above. Now let's see what a proper and good student would do in a chemistry lab.
Gotta clean it off with the base. Get some soap. Wash your hands really good. All better.
Yay! That is the end of our edition of Safety in Chemistry. Thank you very much, folks, for joining us tonight. Goodbye.